Hello people, big world, I'm back and I hope you can hear me okay. Today is update number 2 out of 3, maybe 4, I don't know. But yes, today is a lot of people were worrying about JV. JV is okay. I contacted him and he picked up. I just didn't mention him because he picked up and he was safe, so I was really worried about Edward and Mayo and that stuff, so it was really you know, I don't know how to say it, but he was safe, so I knew he was safe, so I didn't have to worry about him. Anyways, today is update number 2, as you know, and I will be uploading on the weekends because I haven't uploaded for a while and my schedule has been very messed up and stuff. So yeah, you guys get a prize, I guess, with me uploading. I don't know if you like my videos. If you do, smack that like button. Let's try to get 3 likes on the video, guys. If we get 3 likes, I will do if we get 10 likes, I would do another giveaway. How about that? Okay? So 10 likes, I will do another giveaway. Also, we didn't get the dare yet, so comment below on my Pipsqueak prepares for a snowstorm video. Comment below a dare, any single dare. I will do it because my upload schedule was bad. And Pipsqueak out. Please subscribe. Just do it. Peace.